Hello guys, welcome back to this module of basics of Python. In this video we will go through Python dictionary. Let's get started. I hope you will find this video informative and helpful. Now what to expect for this in this video, we'll go through basics about dictionary, and followed by we'll also do a hands-on session in Python, like how to make use of dictionary and how to perform various operations related to dictionary in Python. So what is a dictionary? Dictionary is an unordered collection of values which are changeable and are indexed. So as we have seen in previous data types, some of them are ordered and some are unordered. So dictionary is one of unordered collection, but we can perform the changes in dictionary, and also it's a indexed data type. Dictionary is generally used when we have a huge amount of data to process, and in order to define a dictionary we make use of curly brackets. And a dictionary is in a key value pair. So we have a key followed by its value, and key value pair is separated by a semicolon. You can see the syntax here. So we have a dictionary D initialized inside a curly brackets. So we have first key as 1 followed by value, and then second key is key followed by its value 2. Let's look into few basics Q&A related to dictionary. First is, can we add and remove the values from a dictionary? Yes, we can add and remove the values from a dictionary. We can delete the key value pair directly from the dictionary. We'll go ahead and see how we can do that in Python directly. Second one is which is very important. Can we do slicing in dictionary? No. The direct slicing in dictionary is not possible, even though it is indexed, but we cannot perform the direct slicing. But there are some ways we can do it, alternative ways. So we make use of itertools.islice, one of the tools available in Python, to perform the slicing in dictionary. Let's go ahead and see how dictionaries are used and operated in Python. Now we have a dictionary D here. You can see it's inside a curly brackets, and it follows a key value pair. So separated by semicolon. So on the left hand side we have key, and on the right hand side we have value. Here you can see that we can make use of any particular data type for our key value. So there is no restrictions that the key value pair should be of same data type. You can have key as your integer data type, and value as your string, and similarly complex. All these data types you can make use of. So there is no restriction in using a specific or particular data type or a same data type. If I go ahead and check the type of my D variable, you can see here it will be my dictionary D, and the type is dict. Now how to access the values in a dictionary? So in order to access the values in a particular dictionary, we make use of the key. If for example in this case in my dictionary D, if I want to access the value of my key test, which is journey, I'll just define call my dictionary followed by my key, which is for which I want to extract the value. So you can see here it gave the output as journey of my key test. Let's see how to replace the key values. Now here I am replacing the value of my key test, which is earlier journey. Now I am replacing it with TTRE here. So you can see I called my dictionary, and then the value of the key which I want to the key for the value I want to change here. So I want to change the value of key test, so I call this test here, and then I change the value. If I go ahead and run my dictionary D, you can see the value is automatically changed to TTR. Earlier it was journey. Now let's see how to add key value pair in my dictionary. So again I will call my dictionary followed by the key which I want to add, and then its corresponding value here. So I want to add key name here and its value Piyush here. Now if I run this my dictionary, you can see my value is automatically, key value pair is automatically added into my dictionary D. Now how to delete key value in a dictionary? We make use of the keyword del here. And then the the key which I want to delete it. So here I want to delete the recently which we added in our previous step, this key value pair name and Piyush. So if I making use of the del keyword, we can do that. If I do this and if I run my dictionary again, you can see this particular key value pair is now deleted. That was all about dictionary, guys. I hope you found it helpful and informative. I would request you to go ahead and do a hands-on in dictionary, make use of different type of data types as a key and value pairs, perform add, deletion, all these things, and so that you will be you will have more confidence using dictionaries whenever in our forward in our upcoming sessions. Thank you once again for watching this video. If you have liked this video, I request you to subscribe to my channel and press on the bell icon so that we'll get the notifications once I upload a new video. Thank you once again. Stay safe and stay healthy.